Good day class. In this video what we are going to do is question number second, part second, exercise number 3.6. Okay. So the question is, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman or 1 man alone. So what we are given is a woman and a man. These are two variables, so we let them x and y. Okay, how it is? Let a woman complete the work in x days. Okay, so what will be the work done by woman in 1 day? The woman complete the work in x days. So 1 day work equals to 1 upon x. Similarly, work done by a man in 1 day equals to 1 upon y. So case number first is 2 women plus 5 men together completes the work in how many days? 4 days. So this is their total 1 day work, and if we multiply it by 4, then this is their 4 day work, and in 4 days they complete the work, then it will be 1. Okay, what we have to do is we have to shift the 4 on right hand side. It will be 2 upon x plus 5 upon y equals to 1 upon 4. It is equation number 1. And case number second, what it is? 3 women plus 6 men together completes the work in how many days? 3 days. So what we have to do is we have to shift the 3 on right hand side. It will be 3 upon x plus 6 upon y equals to 1 upon 3. It is equation number second. Done. So in this question, the equations are 2 upon x plus 5 upon y equals to 1 upon 4 and 3 upon x plus 6 upon y equals to 1 upon 3. We know that the denominator contains the variables. So what we have to do is we have to assign a new variable to it. So how it is done is, I have done another question in the previous videos, so you can watch it out. And this question will be like, let 1 upon x is equal to, let 1 upon x equals to a, comma 1 upon y equals to b. So the equation will be 2a plus 5b equals to 1 upon 4. 2a plus 5b equals to 1 upon 4, comma, second equation will be 3a plus 6b equals to 1 upon 3. 3a plus 6b equals to 1 upon 3. So what I like to do is elimination method. So I will multiply the first equation by 3 and second equation by 2. So it will be 6a plus 15b equals to, what is 1 upon 4 into 3? It will be 3 upon 4. And this equation by 2, it will be 6a plus 12b equals to 2 upon 3. Done? We know that 6a and 6a both are positive. So what we have to do is we have to subtract both the equation. Okay, we can subtract second from first and first from second. Okay, I am subtracting it, minus and it is also minus. What is 6a minus 6a? 0. 15b minus 12b is 3b. And what is 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3? We have to solve it out. 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. What we can do is 3b equals to, what is 3 upon 4 and minus 2 upon 3? We can take LCM. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Okay, it will be 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. So 3b equals to 1 upon 12 and b equals to 1 upon 12, and this 3 is at multiply, and what we have to change its side. Then the sign will also be changed. It will be divided by 3. b equals to 1 upon 36. Okay, we got the value of B. Then what we have to do is we have to find value of A. So we can place B in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. On placing value of B in equation number first. Okay, which was equation number first? Six A plus 15B, 15 into 1 upon 36 equals to 3 upon 4. Okay, what we have to do is we will remain in 6A will remain at this side and 15 by 36 will be on the right hand side. 6A equals to 3 upon 4 minus 15 upon 36. Now what we have to do is we can take LCM of it. So 6A equals to 3 upon 4 minus 15 upon 36. 3 upon 4 minus 15 upon 36. The LCM will be 36. Okay. It will be 27 minus 15. Done. What is 27 minus 15? 27 minus 15 is 12. 6A equals to 12 upon 36. What about this A? This A will go and divide it there. A equals to 12 upon 36 into 6. What is 6 with the 6 and 6 to the 12? And from 2 it will be 18. A equals to 1 by 18. Okay. Now we got the value of A and B. Now we have to find value of X and Y. So as we know that A equals to 1 upon X. So on A is equal to, we know 1 upon 18. 1 upon 18 equals to 1 upon X. Then X will be 18 days. Similarly 1 upon B equals to 1 upon Y. Sorry, B equals to 1 upon Y. What was the value of B? The value of B is 1 by, where it is? The value of B is 1 by 36. So 1 by 36 equals to 1 upon Y. So Y will be 36 days. So we got the answer that women will complete it in how many days? 18 days, and men will complete it in 36 days. This is our final answer.